Hopefully this video will save you hundreds of dollars. Not all batteries were created equal. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the dead key fob for my Honda Odyssey, and hopefully this rule also applies to other cars or electronics. So there are three main reasons why this thing won't work: a dead battery, poor connection, and a poorly designed battery. Okay, first of all, I don't want to make this a tutorial, but this is how you change the battery inside the Honda Odyssey key fob or Honda key fob in general. So you pry it open with the key, and then I used a IKEA battery I bought from IKEA CR2032 battery type. This one obviously works. I just want to show you that the voltage of the battery is 3.3 right here, which indicates it's a good battery, but it still does not work. Why? I put it in, I press a few times, then the red light, it will not go on anymore like this. Why? It's a really poorly designed one. So first of all, I forgot to mention that it is also possible that these two tabs could be folded down. That prevents the battery positive side to make contact with that little metal piece in there. So that's the two little tabs. Okay, after we rule out this possibility, because that one is folded down, I thought I had a bad structure in there. Then I keep putting this one in there and still does not work. So I thought I had to go to the dealership and have this key reprogrammed or fixed, or get a new key fob or something like that. Then I tried the other battery from Amazon Basics. Look, so this side is positive, the other side is negative. Negative, positive is on the side. After it's inserted, you can see the red light blinking in there. So that means it's a good battery as soon as it makes contact, and it works perfectly every time. And the new battery, just cut it open, and the new battery, the voltage is around 3.4. Yeah, let me get another one out here just to measure the voltage. So this is negative, the positive. Actually, this one is pretty low at 3.2. Anyway, the design, although it looks identical to me, this one still works perfectly every time. And this one, although it has a higher voltage out of the box, it is really bad. So don't rush to the dealership first, and always try swap for a new battery. And this one works perfectly every time. It's always handy to have a multimeter here to verify the voltage first. For example, a dead battery is 2.8. It will never work. So that's the one I just swapped out. The Energizer is also not a bad choice. I used to use this one. The IKEA one is really poorly designed. See, still works. IKEA only works for a few tries, then it will completely... See, even if I put it in this way, it still does not trigger the little red light. Yeah, now it works. Let's try a few times and it will go out, I think. It's really giving me a lot of trouble. Look, it doesn't work anymore. It does not work. Sometimes it does. So yeah, that's how you fix the key fob battery issue, if it is a battery issue, but usually it should be a battery issue. There's no reason why it will suddenly give out if no water or no visible physical damage. So that's really saved me a trip to the dealership, and you know, saved me hundreds of dollars not having to get a new key fob. So that's how you fix it. Hopefully you find this review helpful. Thank you very much for watching.